So I wanted to make sure that we actually had these force problems down where we could apply a procedure to solve them. So in the last video, we actually solved this problem right here, and I wanted to kind of walk through what my procedure was. So just to keep this simple, I want to write out some steps. So step 1, draw a free body diagram. Step 2, set up equations in the x and y direction. Okay, do not mix up directions. And what I mean by that is x forces go with x forces, y forces with y. So in other words, any force that acts up and down, so these two forces will fight with each other, and these two forces will fight with each other across this way. And the vertical forces fight. I'll never be combining these two forces here and here in the same equation. Whoops. There we go. So, to this end, let's just keep going. Step 3. If the forces balance, it equals 0. If not balanced, they equal MA. And I want to add, I'm going to make this step 3, and I'm going to make this step 4, and I'm going to add a second step here. To set up equations, read the free body diagram. And then for step 5, solve with numbers. Actually, I'll say solve with letters because we're going to do that eventually, or numbers. That's really it. That's the procedure that we're going to use. So the problem I want to take a look at here. So we're going to start off by drawing the free body diagram. So I've got the normal on big M. I've got the weight of big M. And the rule for tension is it goes out of the object. Now here with little m, I have the tension going up, and I have the weight of the little object down here. I'm going to define the forward direction as this box moving this way and little m moving downward. So my forward direction is defined to be this way. And that actually gives me a little sign convention to use for setting up whether my force is positive or negative. And actually, I'm going to use this color to define the sign convention. What we're going to do in the next video is we're actually going to go ahead and set up and solve the equations to get the acceleration of the boxes and the tension in the rope.